Hello everyone, we're going to do some long multiplication. That's when we've got a 2-digit number multiplied by another number which has 2 or more digits. We're going to break our number up, which is 23, into its tens and ones. So we're going to start with our 3 times 295, and then we'll do our 20 times 295. So I'm going to put a reminder here, times by 3. So to start with, we'll do 3 times 5, which is 15. Then 3 times 9, which is 27, plus the 1, which is 28. I've got 2 lots of hundreds in there. And now we do 3 times 2, or 200, which would be 600, plus the 8, which is 800. We'll just put the 8 in there, because we've already filled up our tens and ones. Next we're going to do 20 times, because this is 20 and 3. So now if you times a number by a multiple of 10, it's going to be 10 times or 20 times bigger. And we've got an integer, a whole number, times by a multiple of 10. So it's going to end in a 0. So now we do 2 times 5, which is 10. We do 2 times 9, which is 18, plus the 9, plus the 1, sorry, which is 19. Just thinking ahead. And then we do the 2 times 2, which is 4, plus the 1, which is 8. So we're only going to add up our larger numbers. Our numbers which are carried over, we've already used. So we've got 5 plus 0, which is 5. 8 plus 0, which is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 plus 1, which is 9. If you would like to, you can cross these carried numbers after you've used them. Now I'm going to show you another calculation to do. Pause the video, give it a go, and then once you've finished it, press play, and then we can go over it. So you've got 573 times 45. Okay, here's how to go over it. So we've got 45. We're going to split this up into 40 and 5. 5 ones and 4 tens. So we're going to times by 5 first of all. So 5 times 3 is 15. 7 times 5 is 35, plus this one, and I'm going to cross it off to show you how to do that. It's 36. And 5 times 5, which is 25, plus the 3, which is 28. And then we're going to bring that 2 down, because there is nothing else to times into the 5. And now we're going to times by 40. Okay, so we're going to do, so first of all, we know that we're multiplying by an integer, and it's a multiple of 10, so we know that the ones column is going to have a 0 in it. So 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the 1 is 29. 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 2 is 22. Now we add these together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 2 plus 2 plus the 1 from the 17 is 4. Oops, sorry, 5. If I had a rubber, I'd be able to rub that out. And 2 plus 0 is 2. Always have a rubber handy so you can correct things. So our answer in the end is, I'll write it again to make it clear, 25,785.